So welcome back to Forex Pros. Today we will be discussing two pairs, Gold and GbpUsd. So first of all, subscribe to my channel, like the video and press the bell icon so you don't miss any of the upcoming updates. And let me go to gold market first. And I'm not that kind of person, but I want to brag because I told you guys that the market will go up to 2030, 31, and it will come down. I told the minimum point to which the market would come, and I made a video on the weekend, especially just to tell you that there was a 200 pips confirmed trade coming up. So, for a plus point, the market went a lot down, and right now the market is stuck. Market has going sideways. It's making a range bound basically on the 1 hour time frame. And there are few type of people. First of all, those who made a lot of money on this move and now they're like confident I'll make more money. And the second ones who lost their money, who lost 20-30% of their accounts in a single trade. So first of all, for those who made money, do not try to trade with that level of confidence because it will like burn you to ashes. Secondly, those who lost their money, please do not worry. You can recover slowly. Don't try to recover in a single day or in a single trade. So first of all, we will discuss the market of gold, and as you know, I've done the monthly, weekly, and daily time frame analysis, and we'll just discuss the 4 hour and D1 time frame, and see what kind of trading opportunities or what can we expect in the time, upcoming few hours, like in the next 5 to 6 hours. So first of all, as you can see that the market made this M type of pattern from which we can expect the retracement to the bottom neckline up to 2012. So that is the expectation right now. Secondly, as you can see on the weekly time frame, if you see that previously the low was at 1973, and again we can expect as the market is coming down, we can expect the market to go to 1973 and even a bit lower. So it does not mean that you can start selling now, but what we can just a moment, yes, what we can expect and what should you do in this kind of market. Like for example, I know even right now I'm in the phase where I want to buy the market to for the retracement, but I would recommend that as you can see that the market is right now in a bearish pattern. So never enter in the opposite direction, never enter in the bullish trade when the market is in bearish pattern. Similarly, never enter in a bearish trade when the market is in bullish pattern. So what you need to do, as the market has come down, it's okay. You need to let it go, let the market go, some make the retracement, and then go for the sell trade. But secondly, like if you want to take some risk, like as you know, the market is at 1995 and it's gold we're talking about, so putting a big lot can be very risky. What you guys can do is place your SL. Let me go to a shorter time frame, like 1 hour. What you can do, you can wait for the first of all, wait for the market to exit this range bound. And mostly what happens is that when the market is stuck in between a range bound, the market makes a fake breakout in one direction and afterwards it goes in the other direction. So for now, as you can see, the market is going in the upward direction. So it might be a fake breakout in the upward direction, but again, there is a possibility that the market might come down, make a fake breakout to the downward, and then go in the upward direction. So for gold, what I will recommend, I would give advice is that let the market break out of this range bound, and as soon as, like for example, if you see market has made a fake breakout, or even if it has gone in the upward direction, that's not problem. We're talking about certain scenarios, and right now if the market makes a fake breakout, we'll be certain about it whenever the market enters this zone again. So what will happen? Market will retest this zone and again make a bullish move to complete the head and shoulder pattern. This is the pattern which the market has been repeating for years. So I'm telling you based on my experience and the patterns that the market has been repeating. But I would not recommend that, like, you should, this should be your only concept, your only scenario you're considering. I'm just telling you scenarios. So if the market comes back up, you can sell from this point, and that would be an awesome trade. Secondly, if the market does not make a fake breakout, it starts going in the upward direction, it's okay. The more the market goes up, the more better trade you will have in the sell direction. And another thing, if we go on the daily time frame, what we can see is that the market has been going down for a lot of time, for more than a week. So now we do expect a retracement, and I would recommend let the market complete its retracement. And even if you have to wait for a few days, when the market completes its retracement and you go for a sell trade, it would be an awesome trade. If you wait 2 or 3 days, and normally you don't have to wait a lot of time. So maximum, I think you should wait 1 or 2 days and let the market complete its retracement, and then and go for a sell trade. Like if you get a sell trade from 2011 to 1973, that is approximately more than 300 points. Like on a standard lot, you will be making more than $3,000. So better to wait rather than having a regret that why man I should have waited. Okay. Secondly, now we'll be talking about the GBpUSD trade, and I just gave a signal about the GBpUSD, and the only reason for my signal was there's this thing that you need to understand. Like when the market goes down, and as you can see, the market is going slowly in the upward direction. So mostly what happens, the market goes straight to the downside. But just to trap people, what happens? It's going in the upward direction. Market makes a move, and if the move closes before this bottom of the uh, closes before the previous low, it means that the market is just trapping the sellers, and it will go in the upward direction. Similar thing happened. I placed my SL below this point, that was approximately about 20 pips, and I bought from this point. I gave a signal in my channel, Telegram channel. The link is in the description. Do subscribe, because you will be getting a lot of free trades, and you have to pay nothing for that channel. So I'm just providing a service to do have a make it useful, and do get your profits out of it. So I have a bullish trade running, and what I'm expecting right now, like I told you, market came down, market started going slowly towards the upward direction, and it made a sell move. And from that sell move, what we can see is that it closed above this previous low. So there is now more than 70% chance that the market will be going in the upward direction. I don't know up to which point, but I have my TP around 2.600. What I'm planning is that, as you can see, this was the previous low. Now my trade is running up to this point. Okay, let me change the color for better understanding. Now my trade is running up to this point, and what if I lost? If I lose the trade, I'll lose like 20 pips. It's okay. I can manage. I can suffice. I can control this loss. I can bear this loss. And in forex market, we have to accept the losses as well. There's not always the profit. In this week, not even a single stop loss was hit, and we're doing successful trades each day. So I'm very thankful to Allah Almighty, and you guys should also follow. So my stop loss is around this point, as you can see. So what will happen if as soon as the market reaches this top? I don't know if it will break or it will come down again, but I'm pretty sure the market will come to this point. So where at this point I'll be running approximately, I think, 1.254992. Yeah, 30 pips I'll be in profit, and I'll close half lots and place the stop loss at this point. So I'll be in a confirmed trade. I'm still in profits. Then my 50% of the profits will be booked, and I'll be doing really well. So if you like my analysis, it was just a basic discussion of what you should do. Because if someone is telling the market will go up, the market will go down, you have to consider all the scenarios. The market might go up, the market might go down. You have to plan your trades. So I'm just telling you how should you plan your trades, and how should you cope with the losses. I've been in this market for 7 years. I'm still not saying that I don't have a stop loss, because if I don't have a stop loss, I'm pretty much gambling, and I'm trying to predict the future. So whenever you're predicting the future, it's not a smart thing to do. There's a pattern which I expect the market to follow, but I do not believe that it will follow. So being reactive and being predictive are two different type of things. So if you like my analysis, my discussion about the market, please like and subscribe, and do tell me in the comment section if you want analysis of any different pair.